Rolling into the weekend. Understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and commonly used English expression, roll on the weekend. This phrase captures a feeling many of us experience, and understanding it can add a colorful touch to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily life. Roll on the weekend is an expression of anticipation or eagerness for the weekend to arrive. It's often used when someone is tired of their weekly routine or facing a particularly challenging week and is looking forward to the break that the weekend offers. The phrase encapsulates a longing for the relaxation or fun that the weekend promises. This expression is a bit of a colloquial gem in English. While its exact origins are hard to pinpoint, it falls into a category of expressions where roll on is used to express a desire for time to pass quickly until a certain event occurs. The use of roll here is metaphorical, suggesting the passage of time rolling forward towards a desired point. 1. Expressing anticipation. You can use it when discussing plans or looking forward to the weekend. For example, I have so much work to do this week. Roll on the weekend. 2. In response to others. If someone is sharing their excitement or plans for the upcoming weekend, you can agree or express shared enthusiasm with, yes, roll on the weekend. 3. Social media. It's a great phrase to use in posts when sharing your weekend plans or when you're counting down the days until a special event that falls on the weekend. While roll on the weekend is quite specific, you can adapt the structure for other occasions. Roll on Friday, if the weekend starts early for you. Roll on vacation, when looking forward to a holiday. Roll on any event, to show anticipation for any upcoming event that you're excited about. We hope this exploration of roll on the weekend has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a new way to express anticipation and joy for the days ahead. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about capturing and conveying our emotions and experiences. So, the next time you're looking forward to the weekend, share your excitement with this expressive phrase. Happy learning, and roll on the weekend!